In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict Trello access using Workspace domain restrictions so you can control exactly who is allowed to join your workspace. If you're managing a team, working with clients, or handling sensitive projects, this feature is essential for keeping your board secure and limiting access to approved email domains only. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock down your Trello workspace in just a few minutes. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see your boards and workspaces. From here, look at the left side or the top area of your screen where your workspaces are listed. Click on the workspace that you want to restrict. Make sure you select the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple teams. After opening the workspace, look for the Settings option. This is usually found in the Workspace navigation menu. Click on Settings to open the Workspace configuration panel. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find the section called Workspace Membership Restrictions. This is where Trello allows you to control who can join your workspace. Next to Workspace Membership Restrictions, click on Change. This will open the available options for controlling access. You'll now see different restriction settings. To limit access by email domain, click on Only Specific Email Domains. This option ensures that only users with approved email domains can join the workspace, even if someone shares an invite link. Once you select Only Specific Email Domains, you'll see a field that says Add a Domain or Address. Click inside that field and start typing the domain you want to allow. For example, if you only want people with your company email to join, you would type something like yourcompany.com. Press Enter to confirm the domain. You can repeat this step to add multiple domains if needed. For example, if you collaborate with a partner company, you can add their domain as well. Only the domains you list here will be able to access the workspace. After adding your approved domains, make sure everything looks correct. Once saved, Trello will automatically enforce these restrictions. Anyone outside the allowed domains will not be able to join the workspace, even if they receive an invitation. This is a powerful way to improve security, prevent unauthorized access, and ensure that only trusted team members can collaborate on your boards. It's especially useful for organizations that want tighter administrative control over their Trello environment. And that's it. You've successfully restricted Trello access using Workspace domain restrictions. As you can see, the process is straightforward, but it makes a big difference in protecting your workspace. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.